So welcome back everyone. If you happen to find this video on your phone page on YouTube, I want you to come over to this channel, come over to this channel, and this website I'm talking about is called the SMM Matrix. Basically, if you want to build your own, followers, subscription, boost followers, buy followers, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and things like that, then I want to be installing this website script today. And I'll teach you how it works and how you can get it. So this is what we are going to do. So let me just script is going on code kernel for $39, and I have the extended license and I can give it to you. So but I won't give it to you for free. In the description below you can find the link where you can get it. You can get this latest version. So now I've gotten it here. This is it. I've uploaded it on my cPanel, so I'm going to install it now. This is what this video is all about. So now I'm extracting it. Don't forget to come over to YouTube and search Learn with Deji for more videos. So now we install it finish. I'm going to start it outside. So I want to look it up now. So we are looking up the website itself. We've installed the script, but we've not configured it. So the script is not going to work yet. So I want to come over to install. So now I'm going to follow the previous installation. So you can see it requires a version page version 8.2 and I have 8.2, but just in case this does not work for you, just come over to your cPanel and locate your select PHP version here. After selecting it, you can now decide or choose the PHP version you want. But make sure the PHP version you are going for aligns with what the website needs, or else you keep getting the error. And if you keep getting the error, you actually won't be able to pass this stage. So now I want to go back again, waiting for it to load. So let's check on permissions. Everything here is ticked. So now we have to go back to the website, the script itself to enable permissions for all these folders. So now see it has loaded. So you can just select just 8.2, just select this to 7 or anyone. For 8.2, we work with the website scripts. Once again, you can find this website script in the description below. So in description below. So let's go and give permissions to the websites. So it says bootstrap catch storage. So you can just go over here to change the permissions. Change permissions. Refresh now. See this one will be tick. So stick to what to go back there and do the same thing for the ones in storage. Just let me three of them, two permissions. One, one, two. So that's the distance to be 327, right? 777. So we have done that. Oh, what would that mean? This so we're going to leave this outside. Let's move this outside, right? So one of the issues. So storage should be three app framework. Now everything is back there. So we're going to refresh this so that it's working so that we can set up the projects. So for the purchase code, level Deji and this email, this purchase code will not work for the. You need to get the website script from me before it will work for me. You get the website script from me, I will give you a purchase code you can use for the entire website and it will work for you permanently. So now, since you step on database, go back to your cPanel, and then we'll scroll down over here to database research. Database research, then I'm going to set it up now. So Just for this reference, I'm going to name it social up, so I can actually know what database is exploited on for reference. So do it that way. Now I'm putting database in database user. I've created database. Now I'm putting database users. So I'm going to type in my password. Make sure the password you are putting or inputting, you remember the password because you're going to need it. So click on all privileges because we want this to have the admin panel, admin power to click on make changes. So from here, you've successfully done or configured our website. So now all we have to do is install it properly. So now install it here and put the password to the database you created. And click on install or proceed. So you should get an error like this. This is not an error because the as you can see it says install complete. So just come over here, click on it. And you want to see that the website is going to load. What is it showing here? So database the 12 pages. Oh, it seems we have an issue. So what we're going to do now is locate database. For that, we are going to actually try to install, we're going to install this manually ourselves, which means we're going to install the we're going to install the I want to study. Okay, I want to study. What do you call it? The SPL, right? So, as I said before, everything will be in the script. You're going to store it. Once you pay for the script, you get everything. So it's that easy. So now, while we wait for this to finish installing, um, so you're not actually paying for this. So you're paying $39 with this calculator. That's $9 around 1,450. So instead of paying 52,000, you can actually pay half of this to us, and we help you get the website and install it. But once you pay for website, you get the website script. You don't actually get the like our service and anything. You pay us to help you install it, but you can get the website script for free. I can see it is loading now because we've successfully installed it. So you see, this one comes with a progressive website application. That's it, they can install it and to be on their laptop, their phones and everything. As this one, you don't need to edit anything. You can just change the only thing is change the name over here, change the logo, and change this name over here. But the scroller, you can change the name here again. Like it. One of this. You can change the logo here, then change the name here. Finish. So let's quickly log in now so I can show you how you can do it. If you need the password is going to be in the documentation in the script when you buy the script. So as you can see, we're logging in now. We've logged in successfully. Wait for it to load. So you can see this dashboard itself is minimal. And the reason why I say it's so is because it's so extensive. You can see the transactions for this month, last month. You can see data users, people that open the tickets for customer support, people that are doing pending KYC to know your customer to know if they are going to verify themselves or not. Other accounts, repeated order, pending order, total order. So you can see every single thing here. Every single thing here. You have the power to see everything. You can see the operating system here. Every single thing you can see it. And you can manage the API if you want to use API like let's say Shizu, follow up with engine, use anything like that. You can do everything well. So the admin panel is actually okay, very, very okay. Like I said that. And this website itself comes with different themes and made it so. So it comes with about 6 themes. Any design you want, you get there. Find design, you get there. So you can choose your dashboard as well. This is when your customer actually logs in. So you can choose the dashboard you want them to have. But personally, I go for this one. I go for, I don't know why. I know what's about it, but I like this design. I like this design, this one. So that is one, and that is basically how you can install it. You can send mail to all users. Everything you want to do, you can do it. You can add a user here. Let me show you if I can show you. You can just add first name John, last name Joe, surname Catfish, email, leave this one. Let's say okay. So I want to click on next. So we've created this user, So now I'm going to go back and try to log in as a user if it will let us log in as such. And doing that, we can actually see what our dashboard of our user actually looks like. So I'm going to log in as user now. So you can see how to be to your users. How see the dashboard is very, very neat. So I like it very neat. You can use OPI, you can see the notice you've sent. If you want to pass out an information, the progressive web app is still up here. So none of these are available. So you can just click on, they can add their phones, people add phones. You can select this, you can put space tag, photo here, things like that, cancel the bill. You can just every single thing it is available for you to do. So that's what I want to end this video right now. So let's go back. I'm gonna show you what other so you can select the category here and it will be like a pop menu for you and your users. So this is what we're going to do now, and I've successfully shown you how you can install the website on your cPanel on your website and on subdomain. So for any issues or anything at all, don't forget to reach out to me and I will see if I can help you fix your issue. My number will be in the description below. To refer to get the skill to be in the description below as well. So that will be all. Thank you very much.